एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज हमारा डे 2 है थाईलैंड में। तो सबसे पहले हम आ गए ब्रेकफास्ट करने। होटल के सामने ही रेस्टोरेंट है टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया करके। यहाँ पे हमने ऑर्डर करी पूरी सब्जी, पराठा, ऑमलेट एंड चाय।
So we just came back from breakfast, very sunny, so we're planning not to go anywhere outside at this point of time. So Bangkok National Museum is nearby, about 10 minutes walk, so we're planning to just walk there, and it will be indoors, so we'll get to know about Bangkok more there, I assume. So we'll just go there and go through the shops as well in the meantime. So we have reached the National Museum of Bangkok. We chose this place because it's very sunny and we wanted to be somewhere indoor. That is why. And there's also many scams going on. I'll just inform you once you cross the road. So we have taken the ticket to the National Museum. It costs around 200 bahts per person, so 400 bahts for us. And there's where I buy the ticket from. So it's I think closed on Monday and Tuesday and open from Wednesday to Sunday. And there's a scam going on that tuk-tuk drivers will come and tell that this is closed, there's some ceremony going on, it will only happen 3 p.m. and by till 3 p.m. you can have a tuk-tuk and go around the river and this and that, and they'll take you for just 10 bahts. And it's a plain lie. It is open. If you ever come across it, just come here and at least ask, and do not trust these guys. It looks like a beautiful, beautiful place. We'll try to explore now.
Okay. Done. What you reading?
This is National Library. So guys, we just finished our tour of the museum. Unfortunately, videography was not allowed inside. Photographs you could take, so we took some photographs. The place is okay, I would say. The problem that I faced is that it's not very interactive. You have a lot of old documents, lot of history of Thai culture dating from BCs to current day. All of those stuff, all of the kings that have come, all the architecture, a lot of stuffs are there, but you have to read a lot. And there was also a session on history going on, taking you through all the years of history, telling what king was there, what all happened, but it was in Thai, so we could not understand. We asked them of when does it happens in English. They said it's Wednesdays and Thursday. So if you are coming, I would highly suggest that you come on Wednesdays or Thursday, when you can get a briefing in English, which would be very helpful in understanding the place. And other day you can also come, but be open to the fact that it will not be very interactive and you will be mostly be dependent on what you are reading. And yeah, that's about it. Otherwise it wasn't very crowded. It had it was very clean. All the artifacts are there properly. And you have a museum shop, then you have a cafe, very clean toilets and everything, so a good place in that aspect. So yeah, we'll just move on from here now.
करने के बाद हमने होटल से सामान लिया और अब हम अपने प्यारे 5 स्टार होटल में आ गए, बैनियन ट्री। वेलकम हुआ हमारा फूलों के साथ। इन्होंने हाथ में काफ़ी प्यारा सा माला पहनाया और ये एक टी है किसी हब की, एंड देन पम्पकिन चिप्स। होटल ओवरऑल इट्स रियली गुड। अभी तक मैं जितने भी मैंने होटल में स्टे किया है, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ बेस्ट जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया है।
So we reached our hotel. The place is absolutely amazing. I'll just give you your hotel room tour. So this is our hotel. This is a room actually, and it's divided into two parts. That is the bedroom is there, the sleeping area, and this will be the living room here. So to start with, on the left we have this counter, a coffee station, some liquors, all the glasses, some ready-made noodles. The coffee machine looks very good. The capsules used, and it is fully stocked. Water, and then we have chips and these couple of stuff here. On the down we have a locker which we can use to store our valuable items like our passports, a fully stocked fridge. I assume these will be chargeable, but yeah, never mind, it's there. Then we have this cupboard for our knickknacks. This is a workstation, a very good chair and a proper table. Moving on, so we have a diffuser here as well. Today's scent, and see, for every day I think they have a different scent which can be used. Lovely. A table, some fruits, sofa, and check out the view. Absolutely beautiful. There's another building almost to our level, the front, and check out how deep it is. So we are on the 40th floor. Looks so great. Okay, moving on. So this is the bedroom that we have. Looks very comfortable. On the left we have this almirah. Opening it, place for some hangers. We had a pair of room slippers. One we have used. This is the other one. This I assume is for the laundry. Some other stuffs. Closing it, and yeah, the room looks nice. Basic things like, you know, telephone and others. Alarm clock is there. Okay, so coming here, this is the washroom. Looks really good. On the left we have the wash basin, very big mirrors everywhere, and these are the stuffs that we have, all the laminated toiletries that we get. Great. And they make your baths as well for a chargeable price if you want. Then this is the bath area, toilet, and a very good bathtub as well. Looks awesome. And this side we have this cupboard, we have this iron board, iron itself, and yeah, space is good. You can use to. Okay, yeah, this is the bathrobe and nothing else I think. So this is here, and as we go out we have another TV as well for the bedroom. Same view that we get from living room, same here as well. You can see the river as well on the other side. Looks beautiful. Again, 40th floor. Yeah, so that's about it. Okay, this is a small meal we ordered, sort of snacks. So this is vegetarian Thai fad noodles, and this is the ice latte. Presentation looks amazing. Yeah, we'll just go ahead and enjoy a meal. Yesterday evening we had come to Asiatic Riverfront. This place is supposed to be very good for shopping, a lot of eating outlets, a giant wheel which we have there, which we'll have a look soon, and a lot of other things. So yeah, looking forward to the great evening here. we'll take you along with us. So this is the map of Asiatic. Mention all those things that it has. Oops, it's a market every place. Thai massage, fish spa. So it turns out they have divided the places into warehouse 1, 2, 7, 8, 9. So every one thing has a specific type of stores. So we have taken a small stop to get a coffee. This place was recommended. They have very good options. Let's see. Oh, you got it. So this is a Thai iced coffee. We'll have a try. Try करो बताओ कैसा है. Nice. Good. It's very nice. तो स्टिल शुगर 30% से ज़्यादा ही है, बट स्टिल गुड. नॉट अ क्यूट गिफ्ट शॉप. So many lanes there on both the sides. I see the vintage Kashmir, is it? Yeah, it is. Okay. There are food places as well.
I want to eat this. Arey yaar, I should have tried this.
It's okay. So mango sticky rice for 150. I think there is all food shops inside. We'll have a look. Seems like a food heaven. Crocodile meat. Oh man, lot of seafood. Not just seafood, we have some good fruits as well. Durian, roti Nutella. This was just came out of this food market. More shopping places, and guess what? Indian restaurant. Time India. Okay. Mystery Mansion. Looks like a horror house. Oh shit. Check this out. Looks magnificent. We'll take the tickets. Looks beautiful. Okay, so we bought the tickets. 500 baht per ticket, 1000. Pretty slightly costly, and it takes 15 minutes to complete 3 rounds, which are there. So the queue looks okay, not much. Very excited, very excited. Excited? Now's the time.
If you need any help, please send a message.
Okay, yeah, I hope you don't need any help. Okay, so it's an emergency. Need to press if you need any help. Don't shout, we might need it. Okay, there's the river cruise. We'll probably go there sometime, not today. So we have come to some good height, it seems. This is the place to board the ships on the cruise. We'll just go to that place, looks really good. And the entire riverfront area. Okay, so I think we have reached the top now. Oh, check out views.
Everything is so tiny.
Oh. And the skyline of Bangkok looks so beautiful. Wow. Okay, so that is the other side, and this is the other side. Okay, we'll just enjoy the views now. Done with the giant wheel. It was nice, especially a one-time experience. It would be very nice. Okay, so next one is Mystery Mansion. Looks pretty cool. This one is for 300 baht. There's a Ferris wheel for 500. We'll probably skip this one for next time. Looks lovely. Check out this. Okay, carousel. Okay, so we have reached the riverfront area now. Just come back. Just come back. So many people. We found one Indian restaurant. I think this is the only Indian restaurant here in Asiatic. How's the food? Good? some samosa chaat or something, no? Cool.